Welcome to 836 Sabine Trail in Mansfield's Twin Creek neighborhood. This is a stunning corner lot that features 4 bedrooms, 3 full, 2.5 bathrooms, open concept, filled with natural light and hand-scraped hardwood floors. The showstopper of a kitchen has quartz countertops, gas stovetop. The secluded primary bedroom is large with an ensuite, garden tub, and a walk-in shower and huge walk-in closet. Step into the enclosed sunroom or go outside to your backyard retreat with a built-in grill, pergola, and a gas fire pit. This is a stunning move-in ready home in Mansfield, Texas, and it could be the perfect home for you. I'm Carly Howard with the Rafter Realty Group. Let's schedule a showing today.